Hello everybody, what's up? My name is Vishal from MyWeb, and in this video I'm just going to make a delete button for this all post page in admin panel. But before that, I'm going to change this title from all post category to all post only. Okay, so here we have my all post.php file. So I just remove this category and put as all post. Now save and check in the browser. Now okay, now I'm gonna make a delete button, but in this case I'm not only gonna delete the data, also I'm going to remove this post thumbnail. I mean the post this thumbnail image from the folder too. Okay, so I'm just going and make a anchor tag for delete button. So I take a anchor tag with btn class, and with the btn class upload the bootstrap, which is btn danger. Okay, and okay, right now I'm just leaving this. Now I type delete. Now I put a URL, so I just take the echo base underscore URL and take the controller of the admin. Yeah, the admin underscore. I take the controller name from the of this class name. As you can see, this is our admin controller. So just gonna copy this class name. Let's copy the class name and put it over here. Slash delete underscore post slash single noted comma. Okay, and also close this PHP tag. Now what it makes it special, like unique, so I just take this post ID for make it a unique key for right now. So after that dot, and yeah, let's save it and check in the browser. Let's refresh this page and let's see what happened when I click on this delete button. So as you can see in the URL, we have the admin controller slash delete underscore post slash 14. 14 is our primary key from this. Yeah, from this the primary key of this post ID is a 14 and 15. So we have this 14, and as you can see in the hash number, we have the 15 number. So again, when I click the delete button, it also show me the 15. Okay, so I'm going to delete this row using this column, sorry, post ID. So I'm so copy this method name for make it a function in our class. So at the bottom I take another public class, sorry, a public function, and take ID and just trying to put, okay, just type a string post ID for make it confirm is printed or not. Dot conflict. I just complete this, save it and check in the browser. Just refresh and click on the delete button. Now as you can see, our method is now working fine with the post ID is 14th. Okay, and yeah, just remove this line. Okay, so I'm just going to delete this table right now. So $this db where post underscore ID equals to our $ID. It's be like when whatever I want. Okay, so delete. I call another method of the CodeIgniter, which is delete from the table name. Table name is post. Okay, so how it works, if you really want to know how it works, so you just need to write this dollar query, and just, so if you really want to know, just you can write this print, okay, print underscore r, and just take this line and so this is print underscore r, sorry, and paste it and run the last underscore query and just save it and check in the browser and just click on the delete. As you can see, delete from post where post id equals to 14. The query is printed. It's mean the also query is also deleted. Okay, but when I open my folder, there is still two pictures, but we have only one data. Okay, so what we do for that? Okay, so and okay, I just remove this line and also I comment this line for now, and just take the get data equals to again dollar this db, sorry, dollar this db get underscore, sorry, you can simply write where for chaining, make it chaining method using this post underscore id again with get from the posts, and also okay, yeah, also row underscore array. And now let's going to print underscore r, so make it sure what you got in this. Okay, also equal the pre tag and equal pre, yep, and set this page. Okay, just going back. Now click on the delete button again. What you got? We got the data on this post id and title and all of things, but we need this only this thumbnail data for delete. Okay, so what we need? Okay, so we just need to write the unlink and dot. Okay, now say. So as you can see in the message, HTTP does not allow unlinking. You don't need to link with this. Okay, so I just said okay, first of all just going to print this. Let me check. Okay, so as you can see we have this HTTP URL also, and with the full path of this. Okay, so what we just need to replace this. Okay, so you can use the str underscore replace method with so I'm replacing with base URL. So I just base underscore URL comma with the blank space, and that's it. Now let's check what we got. Now you can see we got this upload slash bg1.jpg file, and also I remove this replace with the unlink. Okay, and also this. Okay, now before doing that anything, I'm just check. Okay, just save this and check in the browser. Refresh this. Okay, data is gone, and okay, now we have only one picture which are labeled because of this. So I'm going to delete this file too, and now I'm going to add a new post like the test description. After the test description, I select a category, which is news, meta test, post meta, take another file. Okay, take my own file. Okay, click on the publish. Okay, post has been uploaded successfully. Okay, but when you click on this button, we need a response from like a flash data. So if our query is success, if our query is true, then I need to set a flash data like the session, and a set flash data with delete post and comma. Okay, your post has been deleted. Okay, now cool, your post has been deleted now, and I passed it to the return and redirect to the controller path of this. Okay, let's control C, and yep. Now just save, and also I'm going to print this uh, delete post into our all post page. Okay, so I'm going to take a PHP tag like flash data. If we have the flash data of this delete post, so we can simply, if we have this, okay, then we can take a div class in echo. So div class, yeah, right, this is for alert and alert danger. Yeah, cool. And role equals to alert. Okay, and dot, I copy this message, dot date. Okay, now that's cool. Now check in the browser again, and I just refresh this page, and now go to click on this delete button. Okay, your post have been deleted. Okay, your post has been deleted. Okay, that's my mistake. Okay, so data is also gone, and that photo is also empty, just because now again I will be checking with the full response. So this is my first news. Okay, first news description. Okay, before posting it, just check it. Okay, all post. Okay, I take a cool MD stress guard. Okay, just taking this cool MD2 also for it. Okay, yeah, cool. Now, okay, now slider news. Okay, test, and again the test, and take a thumbnail. The thumbnail is like about to. Okay, as public. Okay, now we have this image, and also you can see we have this folder. So I'm going to separate with this. Okay, yeah, cool. Okay, now I am going to delete, click on the delete button. As you can see, the post has been deleted, the alert message, and also my file has been gone. Okay guys, so I hope you can understand how can you make a delete button using the CodeIgniter 3, and also how can you remove a file from particular folder. Okay, so meet you soon with the edit post method functionality, and stay with me. Happy coding.